All right. So we're essentially on like day 3 now, even though I skipped a day. I'm sorry. I know. I skipped yesterday because I was very busy yesterday and I didn't have time. Also you could tell that all my lashes fell off on the side for whatever reason. They were really bugging me and I guess I just rubbed them too much when I was asleep. And 90% of the lashes came off. So got two little stragglers. But I'm gonna redo those. Completely random. Let's go back to the charts. So day 3 of the charts, we are looking at micro crude oil. I'm thinking about doing a little short here, and the reason being is because I see this line here. This is essentially just a very nice support and resistance line that we see has held up kind of like a lot of times. We can see that it's come up, down. Yeah, it broke here a few times, but it touched here. We're pretty dang close to. Touched on this side. We have a few touch points here, and it's held up over here. So lots of different things there. And so it touched back up here, and we have quite a bit of a bounce. And right now, I have this like 2 touch point trend line essentially. Here we are. So we're here, and we are in a short, although right now we're consolidating a little bit. I just have a feeling that it's going to come right back down here and try to hit these lines again. And it's low risk because I put my stop loss right here and it's only $165, which is, let's go to, even if I were to go to 200, that's not even 1% of my risk here. Let's just go to, let's say 183. Just to give it a little bit of wiggle room outside of these tops, just because trading recently has been an absolute freaking nightmare, but that's okay. That's okay. So I'm going to short this, and my take profit is going to be right down here, which is still like a really good take. I don't even have to do that. Like I could put it down, let's say right above here, because there's a lot of little points right below it. And that's still a pretty good profit margin, if I do say so myself, even if I were to go like this. Ready? Just like that, 152, right? I don't know, that's my thoughts. So here we are. I wish I could just go to 150 exactly. But, oh well. Ready? So, we shall see. So I'm banking on the 2 confluences being, I guess, kind of like we are in a downward trend and we just had a bounce on a support resistance line, which can create a touch point B to make this a very low risk trade. I don't know if that's correct, but we're going to try. Then that's like my thought process. Granted, I probably should have waited until I guess the bounce broke this line here and like held it. But it's low risk. We'll see how it plays out. That's kind of like, I guess, my journal for this trade here. So we have micro Bitcoin here. Since this is like, I need to treat this like if I was realistically trading. If I was, yeah, what would this stop loss would actually be just about the same. So I can double trade here if I consider I am risking, say, right to, let's see other touch point. That's what Sean would say. We don't know. That's exactly what he would say. I was just part of his live stream. So this is what Sean said. We have this right here. So we cannot say that this is in a downward trend yet, even though, yes, it is making lower highs going to the downside. Overarching, we are going to the upside. So we would only know if it is starting to go to the downside if it breaks this line here. Or at least that's what I think you would say. So we're going to have to wait. And then I guess we can short if we were going here, and then we do take profit. But yeah, I'm not going to take this trade. I'm going to pass up on this one. Hey, we're up to 10 buckaroonies. That means nothing. But we're up with something. 11. Back to 10. But I hope that this is a good thought We shall see though when it plays out. And I'm also just paper trading right now. Went back to paper because so I just told this to Sean. I think I brought this up in one of my prior videos. So I think on my first video I created, but with that, what my idea is I am going to make $3,000 in paper trading. I'm going to do it one more time, timing how quickly I can do it. Not rushing it, but just saying like, hey, can I realistically accomplish $3,000 in trading within a month? Because if I can't do that with the live markets, then I won't be able to pass a prop. And that's my goal. And then after I do that twice, I'm going to get the prop and then I'm going to hopefully pass my evaluation. Then after I do that, I can either purchase another prop and go through that process again, maybe doing like the where you like connect them and then you dual trade props, and then do that, be able to take profits and place them into my live account. And that's kind of like my idea and like step-by-step process that I'm going to do, because I am so down bad on my live account. I'm at like $1,000 left and I started off with 5, so I'm determined. I think it's taking me so long, honestly, to trade. The reason being is because I have like a full/overtime job, essentially, like where I get text messages with when I'm at work, when I'm at home, on the weekends. I sometimes travel for it. I do weekend events for it. It's like a very demanding job. It's a 24/7 job, which I don't mind. But I have all of that work that I have, and like I'm focused on that majority of the time. So I'm only paying attention to the charts like partially. And because I'm not focused on the charts as much as I probably should be, like I need a back test throughout the weekend, but I look at my laptop all day, every day. So I don't want to look at my laptop on the weekend if I don't have to. So I don't want to do that. But during the week, I'm okay to like look at it at night. I don't know. But mindset, it's weird. I only like one full day off. I think that's just, I'm talking to myself and like, I am fixing my own problems by talking out loud and talking to you guys essentially. I think I just need to get way more strict with my routine. And I'm getting better. It's just it takes time. It takes time to build up habits and routine and the whole nine, especially if you're not like black or whiting it, so to speak. Like I've been really bad at going to the gym, but this week I've already been twice and it's only Wednesday and my goal is 3 times. And that's awesome. And I already plan to go tomorrow and Friday. So maybe I'll hit 4 times this week. And that is the most times I've gone to the gym this entire year. That's almost the same amount of times that I've gone to the gym this entire year in 1 week. That's how bad my gym routine has been. But here we are, we're doing it, and slowly but surely I'm getting better and better. Like my eating habits were off and I've fixed those. Now I'm working on my gym routine. I just need to work on my routine as a whole and incorporate specific times to trade and backtest and do the things, but also make sure that I have times that I am away from my computer as well, because I feel like I'm overwhelmed with my computer as a whole. And I'm like, I don't want to look at it, but I'm like, I need to. I need to, and that's okay. So, like, have a date with myself by like either going out to get food, whether that's going out to the pool and like sitting there and trading and just enjoying the sunshine and like hanging out. But I need to get out of either my apartment or my office, sit somewhere that I really love and cherish, because that's like one of my favorite things to do in the world is to go work somewhere and sit down and look at my laptop and backtest. And maybe this is a good reminder, and I hope it is for those of you who are going to be following my journey and also who are maybe even failing at trading like I am. Not failing, we're not failing, we're a work in progress. We might just need some TLC. And if you don't know what TLC is, it's tender love and care. We're gonna get there, guys. We're gonna do this together. I'm really curious to see how this trade plays out. I might let it run in the background as I maybe pause this and like give you guys updates. So if you guys want to follow my trading journey, go on ahead and subscribe. Of course, I'm going to be posting more videos other than just trading. Trading is just a fraction of my life. I want to show you guys everything else that I do. However, I'm starting in one area at a time. So I'm going to start in trading, and then I'll show you guys a little bit about what I do at AR, maybe some other side projects that I'm working on, and just go from there, I guess. But with all of that being said, please like this video, comment down below if there's any specific videos you want me to go through. And then I'll keep you guys updated on this trade and how far it goes, depending on if my loom decides it's gonna cancel the recording or not. So, if anything, I'll talk to you guys soon. Or I'm gonna keep updating you with these trades. See you in a second. Your time. It's gonna be a long time for me.